Hello, this is just a brief demo of a game developed using Claude Code. It's effectively a robot gardening game. I'm currently waiting for parts to grow. They'll be able to go over here uh, once they've been harvested to create the body parts for a robot. Um, you're able to have a family of robots, uh, and then you can have them go on different operation missions and also perform various research. Let's just wait on one more piece so we have a core. All right, you can see its stats here. And we'll call it there for the moment for the demo. Thanks. Bye.